Sabay mo sasabihin, you're nothing but second rate, trying hard, copycat. Turuan kita kung paano makipag-away sa sosyalan na lugar. Pagka social yung kaaway. Ha? Ganito ha. Pulutin mo yung baso. Dapat ang pagkakahawak mo nakaganyan daliri. Ha? Nakaturong ganyan. Sabay mo sasabihin, you're nothing but second rate, trying hard, copycat. Up! Look at my hands. Look at my hands. Dahan-dahan mo ibababa. Tapos, alis ka.
Okay, ako din ha. Ako din. Look at my hand. You're nothing but a second rate. Trying hard. Oops, wait lang. Look at my hand. Look at my hand. Look at my hand. Copycat.